Hello everyone, I hope you are all doing well. I had planned a spring-themed dinner for today's episode, but the weather decided otherwise. We had abundant snow here last night. So for a simple and definitely weather-appropriate dinner, I'm going to prepare a turkey pie that is topped with cinnamon-scented sweet potatoes. I will also serve a parsley salad, and I will spill some wine. So please hang out and dine with me. To make this comforting turkey and sweet potato pie, I'm starting with 3 pounds or 1.4 kilograms of sweet potatoes, and I'm peeling them. Easiest way to peel a sweet potato is with one of these Y-shaped peelers. Roughly chop the sweet potatoes. You want the potatoes to be fairly uniform in size so that they all cook evenly. I have a big pot of water coming to a boil on the stove top. My water has come to a boil. I'm going to add a nice pinch of salt. In go the sweet potatoes. And I'm going to boil these until the potatoes turn tender. It's going to take about 10 minutes. I'm going to remove some of the water from this pot because I have too much. While the potatoes are boiling, I'm going to prepare the filling ingredients, which begin with a medium-sized leek. We just want the white and tender green. Check for any sand. Oh, this leek is very clean. Roughly dice the leek. Our potatoes are perfectly tender, so turn off the heat. Then I'm going to drain them in a colander. Back to the pot. A knob of butter. Sprinkling of ground cinnamon for the taste of Morocco, and then mash. And there we have our pie crust. Onto the filling. So I have my skillet set over medium heat. A little shimmering olive oil. Add the leek. I always find this sizzling sound reassuring. Add 1.5 pounds of ground turkey and break up the turkey with a spoon. For a vegetarian pie, substitute vegan crumbles for the ground turkey. The nice thing about leeks is that they cook very quickly. You can cook them right with the ground turkey. A smidge of salt, black pepper, and then we're going to let this turkey cook until it is browned and cooked through. That's going to take about 5 minutes. The turkey is cooked, the leeks have softened, so now I'm going to add 2 generous tablespoons of tomato paste. If 2 tablespoons of tomato paste is good, 3 is even better. We will stir this in after I add the other ingredients. 2 or 3 smashed cloves of garlic, or the equivalent in garlic paste, a half cup of chicken stock, and a half cup of dry white wine. I'm going to bring this to a boil to cook down the liquids just a little. I like the concentrated flavors of chicken stock and white wine when they've reduced. Now I'm adding 1 cup or thereabouts of frozen peas. Filling is done. Turn off the heat. I'm going to assemble this pie in a 2-quart baking dish. In goes our cozy, charismatic turkey filling, which I have to tell you smells divine. It's very colorful too because of all the bright green peas. This is the kind of cooking that I do for myself when I'm alone. Yeah, even when I'm alone, I want my meals to be special. And then top the filling with the mashed cinnamon-scented sweet potatoes. I know some of you might be thinking, hey, that's a shepherd's pie. But in truth, a shepherd's pie is made with ground lamb. A cottage pie is made with ground beef. This is made with ground turkey, so I'm calling it a turkey pie. If you have any mashed sweet potatoes left over, just eat them. I'm going to smooth the top with an offset spatula. You can make this dish well ahead of time. Just cover it and then pop it into the refrigerator until you're ready to bake. And when you are ready to bake, preheat the oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit or 190 degrees Celsius and bake just until the ingredients are warmed through and the sweet potato topping is beginning to caramelize. That's usually 25 to 30 minutes. I'm going to cover and refrigerate my pie until dinner time. For my parsley salad, I need to pick up a few ingredients from the berry farm in Chatham, New York. Primarily, I need parsley, so please come take a drive with me. The sun is out. That's a good sign.
Full stop. Can't believe I live in your thoughts. I think about you all the time, morning, evening, and midnight. Such a wonderful delight. Forgo, give up everything that I own. Yeah, I'd give it all up now just to be with you somehow. Unexpected love was found. You're the rose in a garden, and it shows if I'm honest. You're the leaves in mid-August, and I've come out here to say that I love you.
A touch of spring to combat the snow. Parsley salad. I first learned about parsley salad when I grew parsley in my garden and I had great big bunches of it. I thought, what on earth am I going to do with all of this greenery? And I thought, why not try it for a salad? And I loved it. The stem tips are fairly tender, but the lower stems are sort of hard. So what I do is save the stems for stock. Red onion. cut the onion through the root and then slice it into little half moons. I'm only going to use half an onion here. Scatter the onion over the parsley. Capers. These were packed in vinegar. Extra virgin olive oil. Makes the parsley shimmer. Lemon juice. I'm not adding any salt because the capers are quite salty. And that's our salad.
And here's our turkey pie.
Beautiful. And the sweet potato topping has caramelized nicely. Look at this. It's a very colorful turkey pie. Let's head into the parlor. I've lit a fire there. It's time to tuck into this dinner. I love parsley because it's so much more interesting than just regular salad greens. It has a lot more flavor. Taste of the turkey pie.
The turkey and sweet potato pie is pure heaven. I hope you will give it a try.
This is a winner every time. For dessert, I'm having a piece of that fabulous coffee cake that you and I made together in last week's video. I hope you will give this meal a try someday. It was really easy to do. I think of it as maximum flavor for minimal effort. Thank you so much for joining me today, and I hope this video was fun to watch and that you found it useful. Please take good care of yourself, and I will see you in next week's video. Bye for now.